In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a video in Canva. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. This is helpful if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, look for the official canva.com link so you know you're heading to the right place. Click that link to open Canva. Next, log into your account. Use whichever sign-in option you normally use and wait for your home page to load. Once you're in, open your existing Canva design or project that already contains the video you want to adjust. You can find it under your recent designs or by using the search bar at the top if you have a lot of projects. With your design open, click directly on the video clip on your canvas to select it. You should see a bounding box appear around it, along with white handles on the corners. If you click and nothing happens, make sure you're clicking the video layer itself, and not a background or overlay element. If your video is set as the background and you can't move it freely, right-click on it and choose Detach Video from Background. On a trackpad, you can use a two-finger click to bring up the same menu. Detaching the video turns it back into a movable, resizable element, so you can place it exactly where you want. To resize the video, click and drag any of the white corner handles. Drag outward to scale the video up or inward to scale it down. Using the corners keeps the proportions consistent so your video won't look stretched or squished. As you resize, pay attention to the edges of your canvas so important content stays within the visible area, especially if you plan to post the video on social media. If you make it too large and the quality starts to look soft, try reducing the size slightly to maintain clarity. If you want to control what part of the video is visible without changing its overall size on the canvas, double-click the video or click Crop in the top toolbar. This opens a crop frame. Drag the edges of the frame to refine the visible area and click and drag the video inside the frame to reposition it. This is great for reframing a subject or hiding unwanted edges while keeping the external dimensions the same. When you're happy, click Done or press Enter to apply the crop. That's it. You've opened Canva, signed in, accessed your design, selected your video, detached it if needed, resized it with corner handles, and refined the framing with crop. Now your video is perfectly sized and framed for your project.